YouTube, what up? So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing. As you can see, it is a blowing nasty one out today. We are having a blizzard. But I received this box yesterday and well, why not do our first unboxing? Today's unboxing is a B&H box. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Knife in the pocket today is a Mass Drop Fair and Forb collab called the Gent. I love this knife. If you want me to do a review on it, leave a comment down below. So what do we have? What do we have in here? Bubbles. Gotta love bubbles. How about we'll save the rest of those for the kids though. Don't blow away, bubbles. We're gonna stick you right there. Now don't blow away. And more bubbles. These bubbles we will stuff in the pocket because they are already popped. Ready? Okay, now in here, what should we show you guys first? Should we? Oh, we're gonna save that for last. Let's show you this. Okay, so first off, we have a wireless shutter remote. I got this in the purpose of, like you see Brandon Vanson use and Greg Snell and a few of the other different landscape photographers, they use a wireless remote so that way they are able to get further away from their camera. For my landscape photography, I decided to go with the Lee filter system. So I got B&H's Big Deluxe filter kit. That comes with the Lee Filters Foundation Kit, which is their adapter ring that mounts to the lens, a 77mm adapter ring, and the piece that holds the filters. Here we have the polarizer filter for the Lee Foundation system. This is a Tiffen variable ND filter. This is a 77mm ND filter for the lens that I'm using now. But I mean, with this light, do we need to put an ND filter on? I don't think so. The ND filter, this Tiffen ND filter is not included in the Lee filter system. This is the Lee little stopper. The Lee big stopper. This is it says 105mm accessory ring. We will open this stuff up later. We will get deeper into this. We're pulling everything out of the box and we will get deeper into it. This is a 0.9 reverse grad. Here are my adapter rings. I have a 77mm wide angle adapter ring and a 67mm wide angle adapter ring. The 77mm wide angle adapter ring is for my 16 to 35 that I am currently using, and then the 67 is for my 70 to 300. This is the soft grad neutral density set. These ones start at the bottom as clear and go to the top as the neutral density that they are. They're just a graduated density. These are the hard grad. They are the same way as the soft grad, except for instead of them gradually going up, it is a solid line across the middle of the filter. some cleaning solution that is included in the kit. Now, this right here, this is the big thing. This thing here will tell you what is coming in the future. I have a tripod unboxing that I will be doing really, really soon. Just wait for that one. This is the head that I chose for that. I chose a Really Right Stuff BH55 with a panel clamp on the top of it. Everyone says these are amazing ball heads. We will just have to wait for my review on it and we'll see my opinion. So yeah, that's everything. That's this box from B&H. So if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you'd like to subscribe for more content, please subscribe for more content. If you have something you'd like to say it down in the comment section down below and me and you will have a conversation possibly. If you want to share this video because you think someone would like to learn from this, if you'd like to share this video because you think someone would learn from this video or you think someone would like to see this video, then please share this video. Did I cover everything? Like, subscribe, comment, share. I think I got everything there. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you on the next one.